Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're learning Kali Linux terminal basics, explained step by step using real commands. If you're new, Kali Linux is a security-focused operating system maintained by Offensive Security, and mastering these commands is your foundation for Linux and ethical hacking, starting with a short intro about Kali Linux, maintained by Offensive Security, then explaining each command in this exact order with practical examples and beginner explanations. PWD, this means print working directory. LS, this shows everything inside your current directory, file and folder. CD downloads. Now you're entered the download folder. CD, this moves you one folder backward. mkdir home now list files. You can see your new home folder, touchdemo.txt. Now demo.txt appears. catdemo.txt. You can read the file contents now, nothing shows yet, because the file is empty. nanodemo.txt control plus O control plus. Enter control plus X to save. cpdemo.txt demo 2.txt demo.txt is the source file, and demo2.txt is the destination file. mvdemo2.txt new.txt rename fill mv means move or rename. rmnew.txt delete file Linux deletes permanently minus no recycle bin. WAMI check the current user. Unnamed dash a system information. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt upgrade update and upgrade system update installed packages. Sudo hives administrator privileges. Clear the terminal. History show the previous commands. Top this show CPU usage, memory usage, running processes, sudo su. Now you're logged in as root user use. Carefully dash root can modify everything. Free dash h show RAM usage in human readable format. Find demo.txt. This command helps locate file anywhere in the system.